Hey everyone, so yeah, in this video I'll show you how to set the best Gmail settings for freelancers in the USA, step by step. Freelancers often juggle multiple clients, deadlines, and projects, so optimizing Gmail can save time and improve productivity. This full guide for 2026 will help you manage emails efficiently and professionally. First, organize your inbox using Gmail categories and tabs. Enable primary, social, promotions, and updates to separate client emails from newsletters. Create labels for each client or project and use filters to automatically label incoming emails. Use Gmail confidential mode for sensitive client data with expiration dates and SMS passcodes. Create a professional email signature with name, title, and contact info. Enable undo send for a quick recall of emails sent by mistake. Enable notifications only for important emails to avoid distractions. Integrate Gmail with Google Calendar, Drive, and Tasks to streamline workflow. Enable Gmail keyboard shortcuts for faster navigation. Archive old project emails with labels to keep your inbox clean while keeping important information searchable. And yeah, that's how to set the best Gmail settings for freelancers in the USA, step by step, in 2026. If this helped you stay organized and productive, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.